Hello, my name is Valerie Duver, and as a member of the Missouri Master Pollinator Steward Program Steering Committee, it is my pleasure to welcome you to this presentation. This program was developed to give participants a strong overview on how pollinators impact our everyday lives and to encourage curiosity for ways to help them survive and thrive. Let's begin. Our program has 4 primary objectives. The first is to use research-based information to meet the growing public interest in honeybees and native pollinators. The second is to provide a better understanding of the importance of pollinators to society. The third is to help individuals and communities create and improve pollinator habitats in their local area. And the fourth objective is to provide a broader education on plant and pollinator relationships for new and experienced beekeepers. Protecting and providing for native pollinators directly impacts the honeybee experience and vice versa. Back in 2015, when this program was originally presented to the College of Agriculture, Forestry, and Natural Resources, or CAFNR, at the University of Missouri, the idea was to develop a course that would be similar to the well-established Master Gardener program offered through MU Extension. We designed it so it would be a cooperative effort program involving organizations with paralleling interests, and we wanted it to be self-sustaining for future generations to enjoy. This program is open to any adult, and no previous education or experience is necessary to attend. There will not be any volunteer hours or ongoing training expected with this program, and it has been approved as advanced training for both Master Gardeners and Master Naturalists. There are 5 topic areas that are currently being offered over a 6-week session period, and we encourage about a third of that time be dedicated to hands-on activities. Lectures typically run about 2 hours each session, but that can vary with each class. The current fee for this program is $90, and that includes everything: all the sessions, a binder, various handouts, and all the materials for the participation activities. So who might want to participate in this program? Well, anyone that wants a better understanding of pollinators. Through our pilot test classes, we've had beekeepers, master gardeners, master naturalists, school educators, and learners that have had very little experience with nature attend this program. Currently, the 5 topics that are part of this 6-session program include 1 on insect overview, 1 on plant and pollinator relationships, and because of public interest, 2 on honeybees, 1 on native pollinators, and 1 on conserving pollinators. This program is administered through MU Extension with assistance and input from our steering committee. Approval to hold a local training is made by an extension field specialist, and we highly encourage local beekeeping associations and other local stakeholders to also participate in the local training. Our 8-person steering committee panel is made up of a diverse group of individuals that bring their unique experiences, education, and perspectives to the table. As part of the self-sustaining program concept, we've created a way to break down the program fee so all participating shareholders are included. Out of the per-student $90 fee, the first $25 is considered a state fee, and it goes to the University of Missouri Extension to cover various administrative and ongoing expenses incurred with hosting and promoting a training such as this. The next $25 per student portion is donated to the partnering stakeholder, such as a bee club or master gardener group. As a training stakeholder, we encourage them to actively participate in the training sessions. And lastly, the remaining $40 per student goes to the County Extension Center that hosted the training. The Extension Center handles a number of tasks, including registration, revenue collection, and the payment of any expenses associated with the training. We have found through experience that having the right person as the presenter makes all the difference. We encourage anyone with 5 or more years educational or work experience in any of our subjects to become a topic presenter. If you have the willingness to learn and follow the established curriculum, are competent in using PowerPoint, and can professionally present the topic, then please contact us on how we can set up a training session in your area. So what are the next steps for setting up a training in your area? Well, first, talk with your local MU Extension field specialist to see if anyone already has one in the works. And if not, decide on what other stakeholders might be interested in participating. Decide on times, budgets, and sites for the training. Once everyone is in agreement and the training has been scheduled, promote your training through various media outlets. After the course, review the trainings and encourage participant feedback and program evaluations. And then make suggestions to the steering committee on how we can make the program better for future participants. If you have further questions or would like to find an already scheduled course, please visit our website at extension.missouri.edu/Pollinator. Or you can contact Jim Quinn or Travis Harper, 2 of our steering committee representatives for MU Extension. This concludes our overview presentation. For the Missouri Master Pollinator Steward Program Steering Committee, thank you for making the time to learn about this exciting new program. Here's to ensuring that we have more days filled with buzzing creatures, fragrant blossoms, and breathtaking beauty. Goodbye.